In primetime news this evening, reign of terror. Warring factions leave 4 injured in latest East Kingston attack. Help us. Government and private sector called on to assist more tertiary level students with funds. And trouble. Party promoters in hot water following breaches of entertainment law over the festive season. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. On air and online at onespotmedia.com, I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Milton Walker is here to give us a preview. Milton?
Yes, Herman, we've heard a lot about employees at Fly Jamaica not being paid outstanding sums. But what about travelers who bought tickets before the airline collapsed last year? I'll have that story in the Financial Week.
All right, thank you, Milton. From business, we go to sports. Jordan Fort is here to tell us what's happening in that world. Jordan?
Well, Herman, we're continuing to follow the lack of progress regarding the Reggae Girls coaching situation and the delays causing anxiety in some quarters, especially with important assignments coming up in the new year. We'll have more on that in Primetime Sports Friday.
All right, thank you, Jordan. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, our feedback question. This evening, we're asking what additional considerations should be made to finance tertiary education? Share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam. And please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.